Baby animals. Can you find the baby animals? A baby cat is called a kitten. A baby deer is called a fawn. A puppy is a baby dog. A lamb is a baby sheep. What do baby animals eat? Some drink their mother's milk. Some eat other foods. Did you know baby rabbits are called kids? Newborn rabbits are very little. Elephant babies are very big. A baby gorilla rides on its mother's back. Did you know baby swans are called cygnets? So does a baby swan. Who keeps the baby elephant safe? Did you know a grown giraffe is almost as tall as two-story buildings? Who watches over baby giraffes? Their parents do. Animal babies get lots of love. A seal mother and baby rub noses. Chimpanzees hug and kiss. Chimpanzees clean each other and their babies. Did you know cats and tigers are in the same family? A mother tiger licks her baby. A mother pig and her piglet take a cool mud bath. A calf learns to run. A baby bird learns to fly. A baby dolphin learns to jump. What does a baby bear learn to do? Many baby animals like to play. Puppies have fun with a bone. Did you know a baby kangaroo is called a joey? Some babies stay with their mothers for many months. Others stay for years. Hope you enjoyed this story. Thank you for watching.